So, on the recent episode of Mzansi's Head of Family reality TV show, The Bala Family, a shocking and a sad revelation was made by the Bala family that their younger brother, Phelo Bala, was supposed to be hired by one of the biggest productions in South Africa. It was discovered that Phelo had gotten a call back after he auditioned for the soapie Gqheberha The Empire, but he failed to go to the casting because he was drunk and could not go, you guys. This was mentioned by the Bala family as they sat around the table to discuss his unruly behavior on the show recently. I didn't arrive at work on that day. I had a very hectic weekend, and on Monday I was supposed to be at work and I couldn't set a Phelo on the show. Speaking to a popular publication, his sister Pinky Bala said they were heartbroken by Phelo's actions and how he tends to belittle opportunities that have the potential to change his life altogether, offering him yet another chance of the many that have passed him. She said on the show, she said that the show has offered them as a family a chance to help each other, and this would be possible only if everyone opens up about the challenges they face behind the camera. However, she feels that Phelo has not been open about his life and his choices, which makes it hard for them to offer a helping hand. There is nothing we haven't done for Phelo to better himself. This makes me see him as a crybaby sometimes, and he needs to grow up and realize that time is running faster than he is actually trying to improve himself. We cannot force him to do anything that he does not want. He is our brother, and we want to see him happy, but we also understand that some of the things that makes him happy will fade faster. We hoped he would get this Gqheberha job. We know it would have helped him and his career a lot. Even outside the show, we have been trying to make him consult with a psychiatrist because, as his big sister, together with his loving brothers, we understand that he has identity challenges, but it is possible to get through that because Luisa Bala said that the matter should not have been brought up in the surroundings of the whole family, as his younger brother is known to be a fragile person and finds it hard to open up in the presence of a lot of people. He expressed on the show that they have paid for therapy sessions and it was all up to Phelo to make the final call and be willing to better himself. Now there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall definitely see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.